The quadratic formula is just that. It's just a formula you need to follow. So basically ax squared plus bx plus c, if that equals 0, and then we're solving this, we can actually use the quadratic formula to do this. So basically you can say x equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Okay, so that is the quadratic formula. This will tell you the solutions for this if you follow this procedure here. So a is always in front of the x squared, b is always in front of the x, and c is always on its own. Okay, so that just gets filled in there. So if we have a look at question, what are we doing, 2a, x squared plus 9x plus 20. Okay, so the 1 in front of there is a, the 9 is b, and the 20 is c. So if we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve that problem, x equals minus 9 plus minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20, all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so that's using that formula, just subbing a, b, c in where they are needed. Then you just solve, so minus 9 plus minus square root 81 minus 4 times 20 is 80 divided by 2, minus 9 plus minus square root of 1 divided by 2. I know the square root of 1 is 1, so I can just keep going, equals minus 9 plus minus 1 divided by 2. And here is where I would split it into minus 9 plus 1 on 2, or minus 9 minus 1 on 2. So that becomes minus 8 on 2, which is 4, and you can't see that. So x equals minus 8 on 2, which is minus 4, or minus 9 minus another one is minus 10 on 2, which is minus 5. So x equals minus 4, or x equals minus 5. So that took up a whole page because I was being really, it doesn't normally take up a whole page, is what I'm trying to say. So that's easy enough. That came out, nice easy numbers, easy to do. But question 3 says find exact or surd solution for each of the following. So you're not allowed to use a calculator still. So let's do 3a now. X squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So again, a is 1, b is 5, c is 3. And I substitute that in. So minus 5 plus minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so minus 5 is going to stay, plus minus square root 25 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12 divided by 2. So that's going to be minus 5 plus minus the square root of 13 on 2. And that's where I stop. So this is the exact value. So x is equal to that. Okay, so that's the exact value. You can find out an approximate value on your calculator, but that's not what the question is asking you for. So that's the quadratic formula. Alright, just this one here. When a, b, and c, x equals this. And you can just use that anytime to find the solutions. So this is not finding the brackets, this is finding the solutions to that. Okay.